Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT. Part 1. Understanding ChatGPT and its capabilities. Welcome back. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of ChatGPT and explore its remarkable capabilities that are transforming social media marketing. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced language model that has revolutionized the way we interact with artificial intelligence. ChatGPT's foundation lies in natural language processing, NLP, a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human-like text. This powerful model has been trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing it to grasp the intricacies of language and deliver impressive results. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and interpret natural language. By analyzing the context, grammar, and nuances of text inputs, ChatGPT can comprehend the intent behind the messages it receives. This means that social media marketers can engage in more fluid and dynamic conversations with the AI, opening up endless possibilities for creative collaboration. Furthermore, ChatGPT is not limited to just understanding text. It possesses the incredible capability to generate human-like responses, making it an invaluable tool for social media marketers. With its deep understanding of language and context, ChatGPT can generate content that appears as though it was written by a human expert. But ChatGPT's capabilities extend beyond mere text generation. It also has the power to analyze data and provide valuable insights. By processing large amounts of information, ChatGPT can identify patterns, trends, and key metrics that can inform social media marketing strategies. This analytical prowess allows marketers to make data-driven decisions and optimize their content for better engagement and conversions. In addition to its analytical capabilities, ChatGPT possesses an innate creativity that enables it to generate unique and engaging content. From catchy captions to compelling storytelling, ChatGPT can assist social media marketers in crafting content that captivates their audience and leaves a lasting impact. Its ability to generate fresh ideas and offer unique perspectives makes it an invaluable asset in the world of social media marketing. To sum it up, ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, its aptitude for understanding and generating human-like text, and its analytical and creative abilities make it an indispensable tool for social media marketers. It offers a new frontier of possibilities, enabling marketers to interact with AI in a natural and engaging manner, while leveraging its insights and content generation capabilities to drive their social media strategies to new heights. In the next video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can enhance content creation for social media platforms. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.